So let us differentiate question number 7. F of x is equal to cos tan root x plus 1. So we are going to apply the same rule, power, base, angle. In this question, we don't have power, so let's ignore that part. So we'll start from the base. So the first thing is cos differentiation is minus sine, and write the angle as it is. Don't change the angle and all. Okay. So next, look at this angle. The differentiation of tan is secant square. So, and this root and all will not go. Again, the angle will accompany that secant. Okay. Next, you have to differentiate root of x plus 1. So that's nothing but 1 by 2 root of x plus 1. And this x derivative is nothing but 1. So we can write 1. So the final answer would be minus secant square root x plus 1 into, so this angle you can put it in the bracket, into sine tan root of x plus 1 divided by 2 root of x plus 1. Okay. And the second subdivision is f of x is equal to root of tan root x. Okay. Now let us differentiate this. So we know that anything we get in the root, inside the root, we will write 1 by 2 root of tan root x. Now differentiation of this tan is secant square root x. Now the differentiation of this angle is 1 by 2 root x. So our final answer would be 1 by 4 secant square root x divided by root, I can write it as x tan root x. Okay, which means I'm just multiplying this root x and this root, and I'm writing as tan root x, and this 2 and this 2 is written as 4. Yes. Moving to the next question, eighth one. See, we have the question as derivative of f of x. What is the meaning of f of x? See, I have a function f of x. So it could be any function. So I'm not going to take the question as an example. Let's take x square plus x. I have f of x. And I have another function g of x. So say like I have sin x. Okay. Now when they say f of g, which means this g is going to be the input for f. But when I say g of f, this f is going to be the input of g. Okay, so let's write both. Okay, since this is f of g, the sin x would be the input for f of x. So wherever x is there, you have to replace as sin x. So sin x the whole square plus sin x. So that would be the f of g. What is g of f? So this would be the input here. So sin, in place of x, replace x square plus x. That's it. Yes, both are not the same. They might be the same in certain cases, but here it's not the same. So now coming back to our question, the question is f of x is equal to x minus 1. What is f of x? Which means inside the x, I will replace x minus 1 and minus 1. So the answer is x minus 2. Now I have to differentiate this. When I differentiate f of x, what do I get? I get 1. That's it. Similarly, we have the second subdivision. They've given the second subdivision as f of x is equal to x plus 7 and g of x as x minus 7. So what is f of g first? So let's find that. So in place of x, I have to replace this g fully. So x minus 7 plus 7. So what is f of g? of x, that's nothing but x. So when I try to differentiate this f of g, when I try to differentiate, I get 1. Yes. Now in the ninth question, let us try to write the function and differentiate x power 100 by 100 plus x power 99 by 99 plus x power 98 by 98 plus so on plus x plus 1. Now just count how many terms are there. So there are 101 terms. 101 terms. Okay. Now just differentiate f dash of x. So what do you get? 100 x power 99 by 100 plus 99 x power 98 by 99 plus 98 x power 97 by 98 plus so on plus 1 plus 0. 0 is for one differentiation. Now, how many terms are there? Only 100 terms are there. The question is, what is f dash of 1? So, all these terms, coefficients would get cancelled and it would be like 1. So, if I substitute 1 here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1. So, it's nothing but 100. Yes, it's nothing but 100. So that's nothing but f dash of 1 is 100. What is f dash of 0? What would be f dash of 0? So everywhere you can give 0 till this place, but this would be 1. So f dash of 0 is 1. So I can tell that f dash of 1 is nothing but 100 times of f dash of 0. So that's the thing they're asking us to show. We have showed that. So next question is, find the derivative of f of x is given as mod 2x square minus 3. 2x square minus 3. So that's the 10th question. So we have to find the derivative, and we know the basics. I give anything inside the derivative, inside the modulus. The derivative is any divided by mod any, and this any to be differentiated. So any to be differentiated. Yes. Same thing we are going to perform here. So we get 2x square minus 3 divided by mod 2x square minus 3, and this differentiation is what? 2x squared derivative is 4x. So that's our answer. This is our answer. That's it. Okay. And the next question is 11th one. F of x is mod cos x. F of x is mod cos x. We are going to perform the same. No change. F dash of x is nothing but cos x by mod cos x. And what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Okay. Now the question is f dash of 3 pi by 4. Now here it matters. See, cos 3 pi by 4 is nothing but it is lying in the second quadrant. Second quadrant. Here all are positive. Here sine is only positive. Tan and here cos. So cos is negative. So I get this entirely, this highlighted thing entirely becomes minus 1. So minus 1 into minus sin x, sin 3 pi by 4. Okay. So I get sin 3 pi by 4. What is sin 135 degrees? That's nothing but 1 by root 2.